Hi guys, welcome to Simple Math. This is the second example about factorizing trinomials or trinomials, right? Remember the steps. So we have to think about the factors that when we multiply them, we get 3. 3 has only 2 factors, the number 3 and the number 1. As you know, 3 times 1 is 3. So we have to list or write the factors in a column. Then the square root of a to the power of 2 is a. So I copy here a and a. I do the same thing with the term that is at the end. So with the third term. So which are the factors that when I multiply, I obtain 2? 2 has only 2 factors. 2 and 1. 2 times 1, 2. So I'm going to copy them here. 2 times 1. And then I will start making the combinations. I will multiply like this and like this. So 3 times 2, 6. Yes, 6. And 1a times 1 is 1. Okay, now it's time to think in the combining method. If I combine the 6 and the 1, do I have the chance to get minus 5? The answer is yes. If the 6 is negative and the 1 is positive, so minus 6 plus 1 is equal minus 5. So we have found the numbers that work for my exercise. So minus 6 plus 1 is minus 5. So I will open 2 parentheses. Yes. I will copy the first two numbers in the first term of the parentheses. So here I write 3a, and here I write 1a. Remember, in the previous video I mentioned that if you find the numbers using parallel lines, in the answer you will cross them for the answer. So I'm going to cross 3a with 1. So 3a goes with 1. 3a goes with 1. 1a goes with 2. 1a goes with 2. And finally, I will write the signs. So, which is the sign that is next to this 1? Next to this 1 is positive. I copy here positive. Which is the number that is which is the sign that is next to this number 2? Next to the number 2, we have a negative. I copy a negative. Again, if you want to verify that you have the right answer, I solve this using distributive. 3a times 1a is 3a to the power of 2. 3a times minus 2 is minus 3a. 1 times 1 is 1a or a. And 1 times minus 2 is minus 2. These are like terms. So we have 3. Sorry, I think I made a mistake here. 3a times 1, 3a to the power of 2. This is minus 6. 3a times minus 2 is minus 6. Yes, made a mistake. So this is 3a to the power of 2 minus 6 plus 1 is minus 5. Minus 5a minus 2. If you see, that is the result of my exercise. We don't have to check that. But anyway, this is the answer. This is the answer of my exercise. Thanks for watching this second video. I suggest you, or my strong recommendation is to continue watching the others, because I will show you, the more exercises you watch and you practice, the better you go, okay? Thanks for watching Simple Math. I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.